back to 20 car. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon Unofficial Concept is not just a car, it is a sculpture on wheels. Its exterior is defined by a low-slung aerodynamic silhouette, accentuated by aggressive LED strips that cut across the front like blades of light. The polished carbon fiber body shimmers under any sky, while the enormous rear diffuser and active rear wing promise both drama and performance. Inside, the dashboard of the Tourbillon is a minimalist masterpiece. A wide, floating digital cluster replaces traditional gauges, providing holographic projections that adapt to driving conditions. The steering wheel is sculpted with a yoke-inspired design, wrapped in Alcantara with polished aluminum accents, offering both futuristic appeal and ergonomic perfection. The rear cabin is surprisingly generous for a hypercar. Designed with diamond-stitched leather in contrasting tones, it delivers a lounge-like experience for passengers, blending opulence with cutting-edge technology. Ambient lighting subtly follows the rhythm of the engine's heartbeat. Underneath, the Tourbillon is powered by a quad-turbocharged W16 hybrid system, rumored to produce over 1,800 horsepower. This engineering marvel launches the car from 0 to 100 km height in just 2.0 seconds, redefining the meaning of velocity. Its natural competitors include the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, Rimac Nevera, and Aston Martin Valkyrie, but Bugatti's design artistry elevates it into a class of its own. Expected pricing is set to exceed $5 million, placing it among the rarest and most exclusive machines ever imagined. The Tourbillon concept is both a dream and a challenge to the limits of automotive possibility.